Welcome back to MC Motorsports. I want to show you something a little bit different today. I'm back to my old nemesis here, which has pretty much been a thorn in my side for quite a little while. Is this 383 block that I have. And I know what a lot of you are thinking here. Why don't I just throw it away, find another motor or whatnot? Well, I like to try to, I'm sure you've seen it by now through my videos. I like to try to save stuff if I can. And I think this old girl has some life left in her here, so I'm determined to get it apart and get it rebuilt. But I'm going to show you today how to tear it down. Well, my version of tearing it down. Well, we're going to finish ripping this block apart. And I know I was showing you the electrolysis. It does work. It has been working on the block. But I have a pretty short attention span there for waiting a while for something to get done. And I could spend another week and a half, 2 weeks, you know, flipping the block upside down, back and forth, side to side, and pulling it out 87 times here and pressure washing it off and putting it back in. Or since now I have a free moment here, I'm gonna do it the way I usually like to try to do stuff, is fast and efficient. And since I already know I'm gonna be probably replacing the crank, most likely, definitely pistons and connecting rods was a given there, because this is one that I knocked out of it here. You can see there is no movement at all on it. They are locked up tight. So no sense trying to save that junk. So let's tear into it. Now the ones that I've knocked out so far, you know, I've used my punch. I had a decent size 4-pound hammer or so, but I've gotten 4 of them out. As you can see, I did cut connecting rods there just to speed up my process, get the crank on out. Crank sitting right there. Sometimes you just need the big tools to get something done. There we go. Knock the rest of them out quick. Yep. Come on, come on. By a hair. Come on, give up the ghost already here. You're not going to win the battle. Well, you won the battle. Ow! Hey, some of them edges are sharp. There we go. One more. One more. Just gonna fight to the bitter end. There we go. See, as you can tell, I'm not going to be able to reuse these, but good thing is though, check it out, one of the rings actually came free. Slide that. I broke it trying to get it off. Good old cast rings. But let's see if you can see this. This is why I wasn't too concerned about saving these connecting rods. You see how pitted up this is? How dished down, how rusted out. It's going to throw the balance off. And since we intend, this side wasn't too bad. So that's kind of close to factory, what you would have found. And then you flip to this side, you can see how corroded and pitted it was. And the fact that the pin's kind of stuck and it's solid is not good. So that's why I wasn't too concerned about reusing. What the hell is that? Oh, it's the boys' car over there. I don't know what the hell it was. But anyway, that's why I wasn't too concerned about saving the connecting rods, and I ended up cutting a bunch of them. You see that piston exploded to get it out. I don't think I can save that oil ring or nothing, which I'm really not concerned about. Every single one of these was locked up. Now, like I said, I could have given her more time in the electrolysis and had a better shot of it coming apart, but the amount of corrosion and stuff, I wasn't worried about blowing anything apart. So now what I'm going to end up doing here, and I'm not going to show you on this video, probably the next one here, I'm going to show you what you need to do to prep this for take it to a machine shop. Well, once again, I had to re-record this because I didn't turn the sound on again. More traffic. I swear, one of these days I'll figure this out. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed watching me blast some parts apart here to get this block ready to go up to the machine shop. As always, I appreciate you guys watching, and give a thumbs up if you want. More traffic. Subscribe if you like, because there's going to be plenty more stuff that I go tearing into and destroying and just look like a complete idiot with. I'm pretty good at doing that at most days. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.